Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove thread badge on your Instagram profile. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily remove your Instagram thread. So I would need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you do not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now to remove your Instagram thread, all you need to do is to, in the first place, open your App Store or your Play Store, and then make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version. So if you're having your Instagram but not updated to the latest version, you have to update your Instagram and make sure you are using the latest version of your Instagram application. And also you need to make sure you have downloaded the thread over here, the Instagram thread. You need to make sure you have downloaded this special application because thread is linked to Instagram. So you need to make sure you have downloaded this application and you are using the latest version too. Now once you are done, just open your Instagram, and once you open your Instagram, you click on your profile, and once you click on the profile, you can see the thread over here and art. You can see art and some numbers over here. Now you can see this temporary badge lets your followers know you are on threads and send them to your profile if they have the app. So all you need to do is to click on hide badge, and you can see over here you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. Now there is no option for you to add this option back, so I will advise you not to remove it. But if you still want to remove it, then fine, just click on remove badge. But there is no option for the meantime for you to get this option back once it is removed. So with this you can remove your Instagram thread badge from your profile. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new